Hey guys, this is 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander with a keyless remote. So it is showing an error which has gone now because when I bring the key near to the car, so it goes off. But when the key is here in the key pocket, it shows the error. So now, as you can see, the error has gone. But sometime when I open the door and close it again, it starts showing again. So this is the problem with the key. As I bring the key closer now, so it's gone again. So let's see. Trying the door again. No, it's not coming now. Yeah, see, now the key is in the key pocket there, so the error is here. So every time we open the door or close the door, this error comes up. So it could be the battery of this remote which may be low, or there may be some other cases. It could be some interference by some electronic device like a phone, or there may be some other cases where the coins or like keys are placed near to this remote, so they interfere in the signal of this remote and the car. So we will change the battery and see how that goes. So this is a C2032 battery which we need to replace in this key remote. So I got a Panasonic C2032. Always use the good brand batteries. So if you put a cheaper one, they're gonna die very soon. So first of all, we need to take this key out. We need a flathead screwdriver to open this remote. So if you can see this point here, we need to plug in the screwdriver and need to take apart this key remote. So this is the battery cell which we need to replace. Just take it out with a screwdriver, put the new one in. So make sure you are placing it in right direction. So the positive needs to be on the upper side. Just put it back in. Then we need to close it again. So just press with your fingers from all the four corners until you hear a click sound. So that's all done, and just put the key back in. So the problem is still here, guys. See, when I pick the phone up, turn the camera on, it usually goes. Yeah, it comes back again. So I also removed the wires from the battery and put them back on. I was thinking it's gonna solve the problem, but it didn't. So now I figure out the actual problem. It is here in this one, because I put a front dash cam in my car. So this is causing a problem. If I am removing this charging cable from here, you can see the error goes from here. And now if I am opening the door, closing back on, it's not coming back. So it is solved now. So this is causing a problem because the camera is a Wi-Fi camera. So the Wi-Fi signal of the camera may be interfering with the signal of this key remote. So I need to do something. Probably I need to change the camera, or need to work something on its settings or anything. It's not coming back now. No, I can show you here. I'll put it back.
Wi-Fi is on. 5G Wi-Fi.
See, it's coming back because I just put it back on. So we're moving back on.
Wi-Fi is off.
It's gone. Now coming back. But once it is back in, and now I'm opening the door.
Wi-Fi is on.
It is here.
Wi-Fi.
So that's causing the problem. So if you are watching this video, I'm assuming you are having the same problem with your key remote, and this video will help you getting some more information to solve the problem. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.